Ayisangqile moto. Soloko belungisa.
Coughing up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe.
Hey Saweeties, and welcome back to NM Home, previously known as Kiki Creates. I am Kiki, and it is now NM Home because I'm grown. I'm a grown woman. Plus, I just decided to change the name. It's NM Home because my full name is Ntsiki Machiza, so NM Home made sense. Welcome back. I'm back.
Friend to tell a friend, she's back.
I took a break, but now I'm back.
I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time.
And I'm excited. As you can see in the title, I am doing these textured works of art. Very, very excited about it. I've been wanting to do these because I don't know, they just looked easy to me. It looked like something I could stick my nails in and just get down and dirty. So I did that, broke a nail, decided to remove all the nails because I was done. But yeah, that was fun. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, please do like, please do comment, ask any questions, and definitely do subscribe so that we can grow the fam bam. Let's get into it. So generally you would like cut these things yourself, but I had some wood left over from previous previous DIYs, since I was doing DIYs back in the day, and I just went to builders to get them cut to size for the framing, which are these black frames. I don't have a saw or any electrical cutters, so I had to go to builders to get that done. It literally is like 10 rand per cut, I think, but the lady was nice. I was nice to her, so she did it for me for like 15 rand for all these cuts. And then we're just gonna use, I think for this project you don't need much. It's pretty basic. You need the sheet that is gonna help you texture the art. You need plaster of Paris. That's the one I use. Some people use other stuff. That's the one I use because it's inexpensive. I used glue just to get the sheet and the plaster of Paris to adhere to the canvas, and then just some general sandpaper to sand down the frames, the wood, and then just some paint. I definitely did lose a lot of footage, but like I'll show you guys what I was able to do. Just wanted to show you, if you are an OG or if you've been here like way back in the day when I was at my other flat, I bought these canvases, plain canvases, and made an abstract art out of them, and look at what they look like now. They have seen their worst days. They are bruised, they are battered, they are going through the most, so they definitely did need a little bit of reupholstering, a little bit of an upscaling, and just turning them into something totally different than what I had initially done. And I think that's the nice thing about DIYs, is that you can just switch it up. If you don't like it, just switch it up. And so that's what I did. The town is freezing, so I quickly just had to grab a tea. But basically what you're about to see now is just a b-roll of me putting the sheet into the plaster of Paris just to get it like all infused in that, and then just layering it on the canvas and shaping it to the shape that I kind of want it to be. So I don't want to bore you with like a whole voiceover throughout. I'm just going to play some music and have you guys watch that, and I'll see you in a second.
Coughing up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my.
So this is what we have at the moment, and I'm absolutely in love. The only jig is, I think I'll show you guys a bit later, I miscalculated. So like at the bottom here, it doesn't go all the way down, but I mean, it's not a train smash. At the top, it's flush, and most people their eyes will gravitate to the top. But this is what's going on at the moment. I absolutely love
Again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet what's in and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me.
So this is the final results. This is what they look like during the day. I initially did have like 3 canvas or sets or whatever, but I went and thought I was Picasso and ruined the 3rd one. But I'm happy with these 2. I definitely was trying to hang them using this thing. It's a joke. It's a literal joke. It does not work. It's useless. They lied. It was all a lie. I'm very disappointed, so I have to figure out another way to hang these babies. But this is our final results. Please tell me what you think. I love them. And that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys truly did enjoy it. If you did, please leave a comment down below, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on my next upload.